So we are in Unit 2, Frontier Park, in Burnley, Lancashire, in the new premises of Stolle Machinery UK. The site is 157,000 square feet of warehouse that we're converting into manufacturing, warehousing and office space. We approached DBC to supply us with a solution to create separate zones to stop cross-contamination of our products in fabrication and machining. So DBC took our drawing plans for the building and created a proposal to separate using a couple of different options of fabricated walls and curtain wall, and left us with the option to choose which suited our new plant the best. The reason for us choosing the flexible partitioning, and we did look at options of building walls, number one was cost and number two is flexibility. So in reality we can roll these walls up if we want to bring equipment in and put them back. We can move them elsewhere in the plant, it's not permanent. And the really big factor is dilapidations. So when we come to the end of our tenure in the building, we can easily take it out and put it back to standard. Overall, we're very happy with the process. From the initial layout drawings, the discussions around options, the guidance on the correct materials, doorways, positioning, and just basically selecting the right system for our needs was fantastic. The installation team very professional, on time, delivered in a shorter time scale than the original lead time due to our requirements, and very professional team on the install. Every person that I've welcomed in, including our visitors from the US, from our parent company, have all been extremely happy with the look. I would certainly, from a personal point, I would recommend, I've done with some other people today, would recommend DBC. Professional service, the guidance was good, and we always felt through the whole process, we felt that we were getting an honest opinion rather than a sales patter to make us buy the product. We were getting guided rather than pushed. I mean, I don't think there is much to add other than, would we go back? Yes, definitely. Yeah. I'd recommend, 100%.